Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into how to use UPBASE for community management, your full 2025 guide. Our first step is setting up your community. Once you've logged into UPBASE, navigate to the Create Community button on the dashboard. This is where you lay the foundation of your community. Now, the reason we do this is to establish the community's name, description, and rules, which sets the tone for all future interactions. Now that we have a community, let's invite members. On the left side menu, click Invite Members, enter their email addresses, and hit Send. This step is vital because a community is nothing without its members. Remember, the more diverse your community, the richer the conversations. Next up, let's create some content. Navigate to Post and share an introductory message or a welcome post. This helps us because it sets the tone, introduces yourself, and invites members to engage. Now we're going to enable notifications. Go to Settings, then Notifications, and tick the appropriate boxes. The reason we do this is to stay updated with the community. You'll never miss a post, comment, or important update. Finally, it's time to engage. Reply to comments, like posts, and start discussions. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Engagement boosts member activity and fosters a sense of community. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to managing your community on UPBASE efficiently. Remember, a well-managed community is the backbone of any successful online platform. So dive in, engage, and watch your community thrive. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next one.